Hello everyone, I'm Nick with OWC, and today we're going to unbox the brand new 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro with Retina display. I'm very excited, so let's jump right into it. So what we're doing right now is we're going to go ahead and rip off the plastic protection on the box. I'm very happy that this was not hard to do. Get that out of here. All right. I did it. First things first, that beautiful new MacBook Pro smell. All right, so we've got the silver model here. Go ahead and take off this extra protection here as well. Get that out of here. So you got your silver 13-inch MacBook Pro with Retina display. I'm going to put that to the side. We're going to actually open up the machine in a little bit and take a look inside. All right, inside our box, we've got your typical manuals and books. Yes, guys, stickers. Love me some Apple stickers. And then inside the box itself, you have some simple components. You've got your USB-C cable, which is then used with the USB-C charging brick. And that is all that is in the box. Now that we've taken a look at what's inside the box, let's look a little bit further into this machine. This model of the MacBook Pro, there hasn't been any big cosmetic changes to the machine. There are, however, been some spec updates, one of them being a faster and stronger processor. Taking a look at the outside of the machine, you've got your standard MacBook Pro footprint. On the sides here, you've got two, and on this side as well, you have two Thunderbolt 3 ports and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Now, let's go ahead and lift open the machine and take a look inside. Get this paper out of here. One neat feature about this MacBook Pro and other models is that it automatically boots when you lift it up. So that's a fantastic, cool feature. And inside here, again, this is just a refresh of the machine. As you can see, the model I'm opening with comes with a touch bar. Your keyboards, large trackpad, very beautiful display. Another thing Apple did do with this particular model is the keys are much, much quieter. They don't click as loud, and I know that's something that people like to have with their machine, a quieter keyboard. All right, and that's it for the external features. Let's power this down, flip it over, and take a look at the guts. Here we have our battery, the speakers, your memory. Underneath this heatsink is the CPU. Over here you're going to have your flash storage to store your data. These chips on the sides here are controlling your Thunderbolt ports, and two fans to keep the machine cool. And here you will have the coprocessor. The big change with this model is back here underneath this heatsink with the CPU. Other than that, very similar to the previous model. And that was our quick unboxing and look inside for the brand new 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro with Retina display and touch bar. Thank you so much for coming by, and we'll see you in the next video.